Lectures number 7, chapter 13. First, we see multiple choice question. Question number 3. Acetic acid is manufactured by fermentation. Carboxylic acid contain a carboxyl group. Which acid is used in the manufacture of synthetic fiber? Acetic acid. Which following derivative cannot be prepared directly from acetic acid? Acetamide. Which reagent is used to reduce carboxylic acid to alcohol? Lithium aluminum hydride. The solution of which acid is used for seasoning of food? Acetic acid. Organic compound X and Y react together to form organic compound Z. What type of compound X, Y and Z be? Delta. Alcohol, acid and ester. An aqueous solution of organic compound reacts with sodium carbonate to produce carbon dioxide. This is the property of carboxylic acid. Which one of the following could be organic compound? Carboxylic acid containing carboxyl group. Which of the following is not fatty acid? Fatty acid or long chain monocarboxylic acid. Fatty acid or long chain monocarboxylic acid. And phthalic acid is aromatic acid. Next, acetamide is prepared by heating ammonium acetate. Heating ammonium acetate. नेक्स्ट नॉमेनक्लेचर का क्वेश्चन है. वैलरिक एसिड पेंटानोइक एसिड है. पेंटानोइक एसिड 5 कार्बन. The other names are discussed in the chapter. Next, this is question 5. This is malonic acid. Or propane 1,3 dioic acid. Propane 1,3 dioic acid. Next, isophthalic acid. Isophthalic acid or benzene 1,3 dicarboxylic acid. Benzene 1,3 dicarboxylic acid. Then this is formic acid or methanoic acid. Now this 4 ethyl ethanoate. This is IUPAC name, ethyl ethanoate. 5, there is a bond between CH2 and NH2. 2 amino ethanoic acid. Number 6, Number 6. This group is propyl. Propyl methanoate. Propyl methanoate. Next question number 6. How would you convert acetic acid into following? एसिटाइल क्लोराइड हमने पढ़ा हुआ है, एसिटामाइड भी पढ़ लिया और एसिटिक एनहाइड्राइड भी। मीथेन जरा देख लें। हाउ एसिटिक एसिड इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू मीथेन। दिस इज एसिटिक एसिड react with sodium hydroxide to give sodium acetate and water. Then sodium acetate react with sodium hydroxide, calcium oxide or heat. Sodium carbonate is formed plus methane. क्वेश्चन 7 भी हमने पढ़ा हुआ है। क्वेश्चन 8, एसिटिक एसिड टू एसिटामाइड। ये हमने एसिटामाइड डेरिवेटिव मैकेनिज्म के साथ पीछे देखा है चैप्टर के शुरू में। एसिटिक एसिड टू एसीटोन ये हम बनाते हैं। एसिटिक एसिड 2 molecule, then calcium hydroxide. Product will be calcium acetate 2 water molecule. Now calcium acetate का रिएक्शन देखना। Calcium acetate is written in this way. It is heated, acetone is formed. This is acetone plus calcium carbonate. These are the questions which have not been discussed in the chapter. That is why they were explained. Another question is question 10. What happens when the following compounds are heated? Calcium acetate, ये हमने प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में देखा है। कैल्शियम एसीटेट को हीट करें तो एसीटोन बनता है। अमोनियम एसीटेट, इसको हीट करेंगे तो एसिटामाइड, ये चैप्टर 13 में हमने पढ़ा है, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एमाइड। Now look at this, sodium formate and soda lime. This is sodium formate heated with soda lime. Again, sodium carbonate is produced along with hydrogen. This is the end of chapter number 13. Next time we will discuss chapter number 15.